Hi guys!
Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have the iRobot Roomba i3
Plus. So this is
a robot vacuum, I guess you could say.
it's a Roomba. So it's technically an automated vacuum.
So this is the i3 Plus. This automatically cleans your home like a vacuum whenever you tell it to.
So it cleans after you. So once you're done, if there's a mess in the living room.
So you guys can see the box is nothing really much. I think we should open it. Okay, so we opened the first box, and inside the first box was another box,
which
the
was
exact same size for some reason. So here you guys can see it.
You guys can see the Roomba and its dock.
Yes, so the Roomba here, it has like a grayish thing on the top, you guys can see.
And its dock is like big over there.
So let's show them the sides. The sides are pretty cool.
Interesting.
Okay, so on this side, you guys can see the automatic cleaning dock. So it automatically cleans the Roomba, and the Roomba automatically also takes out its own trash. So you don't have to go to the Roomba and take it out. So
it's like if it's done cleaning, you put it back to the dock. Roomba, it will take its trash and put it in the dock. And once the dock's trash is full, then you need to put it in the
so over here you guys see how the Roomba actually is from the bottom. So it has two rollers, and it has the cleaning thing.
And it also has a dust removal.
So you guys can see it, and let's open it because the other side is the exact same.
So open it.
Okay, so
first thing,
getting started.
it's big.
It shows how to set it up. So getting started, you have to put it in the charging station. It's gonna go 1.5 feet charging station, Wi-Fi thing, and then plug it in. You have to wake it up by putting it in, put in the app, and then
start cleaning.
So there's 5 steps.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we're gonna be needing this.
So let's open this.
So
we opened up the dock. You guys can see it, the Roomba thing over there. And let's tilt it a little bit. So over here, you guys can see that there's this part.
That's where the trash from the Roomba goes in and then comes here.
And it also has this ramp thing so it doesn't fall down. And over here, there's these metal things for charging it. And let's show them the back. On the back, there's the place where the wire goes, so that's under here. And then you can wrap the wire there.
And also, this is where the trash goes.
So, take out the trash. You guys can see here. Take that out, and the trash is in here. And you can just replace it with another one, I guess, or empty it out.
Simple. Got it.
So, a couple of features in the i3 Plus are that it has the dock, which makes it so it automatically just empties itself, but it also can map your house without the need of cameras. So this thing does not have cameras, so I guess that's a good thing because then privacy. And also this vacuums in straight lines, not a zigzag, which is also good.
And if you look at the bottom, there aerial force thing and these.
So here's like the suction part. That's where the dust comes out from. So
that you put it in the dock, and then the dock cleans it up and puts it in.
I'm pretty sure these are the sensors, if I'm not wrong. And there's this one sensor here. This is also in like this cool gray color.
Yeah.
You guys can see. This also works with Alexa. So I guess
you're saying to clean the living room area. It'll turn it on and it'll start cleaning.
Yes. You can also tell it where not to clean. So this is the dock.
And
Roomba, it's just gonna, let's say it's working, so it's just gonna like position itself like this and put this in. And then the wheels go into these places, and it just like goes into the charger place.
It's supposed to be like this because the dust area is here, so it's supposed to be put in like that. So position itself there.
There.
And
There, it's
There.
on, a light open. And now we're going to go into the app and set it up. We're going to press next. Learn the basics of what it can do next. So it's a percent robot series vacuum automatic dirt disposal. It cleans and it cleans in rows and edges.
So it cleans line, turns, and then another line again and again.
And
so it doesn't go in a zigzag.
And it will also avoid like downhills and stuff. Next,
Like the stairs.
it will return to home and charge, and then if it didn't finish, it'll just go back and pick up again. So let's say if the battery's low, it does it, but it runs out of battery, so it'll just go back, charge, and then go again.
So it's automated. So pretend if you're driving and you want to clean your home, you can just press it, and it'll clean it. And once it's out of charge, it'll do it all by itself.
Now
That's
it says
super
once
cool.
it's done cleaning and the bin is full, it'll just go ahead, empty it, and just continue again. So you can also control when it cleans. It'll let you know if it needs maintenance and even show you how to do it. So it'll show you how to change the rollers and stuff. Lastly, prep your home. So you have to pick up cords, cables, and stuff because it still can't detect those. I mean, it makes sense.
Yeah.
Next, and there you are. So it shows what it's doing right now. So it shows that it's charging. I can tell it to vacuum everywhere.
Empty the bin.
Empty the bin, we can press. A new job we can make. So let's press a new job. So we can time limit we can put. Bring it down. Okay, we can set as favorite and we can start it now. And over here we can make accounts, privacy, add a robot, iRobot store, and schedules, history, messages, robot settings, help, and other stuff. So
This is a pretty cool robot, and it will clean. It will help us a lot.
yes, so this can clean a lot of things and do it like automatically, which is pretty cool.
Technically, this is 80% by itself, but you still need to clean up those toys on the floor, or
You just need to clear out his way.
That's the only thing you do. And
Roomba cannot clean the toys so big.
So this can also work with their like mop series. So that's like, I'm pretty sure they start with M. So this like vacuums first and then that mops next. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So that's about it for this thing. So thank you guys for watching this video.
please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
And remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.
Bye.